every service-based business is different. They have unique clients, processes, KPIs, targets, and strategies that operations managers, staff directors, and especially the owners need to track. Now, Accelo is an amazing product that helps businesses answer a key question: what actually happened in my business today? And we love Accelo. We use it in our own business, but the very flexibility that Accelo provides, combined with the fact that humans run businesses differently by definition, means that the inbuilt reporting doesn't necessarily provide the tailored and holistic view you need in order to run your business more effectively. But instead of listening to me, let's ask Accelo how we help their clients.
Here at Accelo, we're always looking for ways in which we can better serve our clients. Partners like dataSights are invaluable in bridging the gap between the work that our users are managing in Accelo and other real-world needs, ranging from everything from implementing Accelo and providing technical support to business consulting and, of course, business intelligence. Business intelligence, or BI tools, are one of the most effective ways for a business to get ahead. By leveraging the data that you're already collecting in systems like Accelo, companies can identify new sources of income and make their business more efficient. However, it can be a challenge for companies who already have their hands full with existing client work to take on a project as complex as implementing a new BI tool, especially when your data is stored in a system that is as customizable as Accelo. Now, we love working with dataSights because they do an incredible job of assisting clients throughout this process to ensure that it is successful. They use their experience to do more than simply plug data into these BI tools. They consult throughout the process to organize your data and create reports that can have a meaningful impact by incorporating the unique way in which every company manages their particular business. They also go to great lengths to ensure that these tools are simple enough that they can be used by everyone on the team, not just your data analysts. Some of the great work which they've done includes creating dashboards for forecasting expected revenue, creating work in progress or WIP reports, and creating support ticketing dashboards to manage the day-to-day load.
And now from some of our clients themselves.
So Waypoint exists mainly for small businesses, primarily in Australia, but we've worked worldwide. And those that don't have an internal project management department, an internal IT department, but want to benefit from the use of modern tools. So things like Accelo, Google Apps, Xero, and similar associated tools. We generally work with them on a project basis to implement this system and then walk away and leave them with the keys. So for us, as Accelo's #1 partner by user numbers worldwide, and their territory partner in Australia, we've got a really close relationship which helps us help our clients. On a more technical level, one of the things that we love the most is the customizability of the system, and just how much you can get into different modules of the system and change different things to suit business processes, which is all we are about. So we've got a number of businesses that we've worked with to do an Accelo implementation. For us, then working with dataSights is a natural next step because you have all of this data and information in such a malleable system that then the next step that most of our clients want to take is to harness that information for scale and growth or for efficiency or similar. So having a partner like dataSights that we can lean on for that work and work collaboratively with clients is a huge benefit to us. From a client's point of view, probably the largest benefit that they get is a unique and bespoke service, because although every business needs to know when are we getting paid our invoices or similar, obviously it's the specific details in what clients want to know but we're able to harness a lot more by using something completely customized like dataSights.
We've been live with Accelo for about a year now. It's a program that allows us to access a lot of data. So we engage dataSights to help us to build custom reports from that data. We asked dataSights to help us build a number of specific reports, through from an opportunity or sales report to a project progress report and staff utilisation and profitability. So these reports have replaced the need for us to use data dumps and spreadsheets, making it a lot quicker to generate reports and also able to visualise our information that helps us make business decisions. The next steps for us are to continue to refine the reports we already have and to work on automating delivery of these reports to the relevant people.
So whether it's operational forecasting, revenue recognition, project consolidation, or whatever customized views you need, if this sounds great to you, get in touch and please tell us your pain points. Experience a dataSights demo and get a taste of our awesome automated reporting.